things. I've been driving this train, years in this lane. There's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop.
All right, y'all, welcome back. We are back in the shop. Got the probe in here. We unloaded last night super late. Like, what was it, Andrew? Like 4 in the morning when we unloaded? 5 in the morning?
3:30. I didn't crawl into bed until like 5.
Yeah, so it was super late. Probe's back in the main side of the shop. It was empty, so we said, fuck it. Let's just roll it in here. Let's get it unloaded. Get all the shit thrown out of the trailer. So, we figured out, we knew we fucked up some shit, right, Andrew? We always fuck up some shit. But like,
Yes, we do.
This time we fucked up more shit. I really needed to.
What's that?
We fucked up a lot of shit.
Yeah, we did.
So we're gonna do the intake gasket. We gotta fix a tub. Don't we have to fix a tub?
Yes, we do need to fix it.
Yeah, Andrew broke a tub. So we gotta fix a patch of tub. Gotta take the intake gasket off. Through the back of the blower gasket, it's leaking oil. We didn't see that while we were at the racetrack, but it's leaking oil out the rear bridge. The intake, gotta do the blower gasket. So we're gonna get the car moved over there to our side. We're gonna finish cleaning over there because it's a fucking mess. The car's been sitting there and I haven't got to sweep the floors. I haven't got the vacuum. It's nasty. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's kind of nice. I was able to put the car over here when we unloaded, clean up, restart, be ready to rock and roll. So hopefully go testing again here pretty soon. Really soon, hopefully. Because we still got fuel. We got like 15 gallons of fuel left. Because we only used like 5 because we made 1 pass and a warm up. The car's ready to go. Transmission fluid's fine. We got to top off the engine oil. I got 4 quarts of engine oil left. What else, Andrew? I think that's it.
Yeah, then go.
Oh, we gotta fix the one little fuel leak on the fuel pump.
Yep, we gotta fix.
Right on the front of the fuel pump, it's leaking a little bit of fuel.
Wasn't there another leak? Oh yeah, you guys fixed that leak that was down here, right?
Yep, we fixed that leak.
Okay. Yeah. After that, it's test and go fast.
I like that idea. So, we gotta fix the one little fuel leak right on the front of the fuel pump. It's right down there. But besides that, that's it. That fuel leak and the intake blower gasket leak. And reset the idle, because we tried to fix it when we warmed it up and it was shooting purple flames.
No bueno.
Not good.
No.
So, Andrew and I, the old school duo, back in the shop again, working on the old race car. We're gonna get turned around and get ready to rock and roll to do it again and not go faster than a 640.
Yeah.
Yep. That's what we're gonna do, right, Andrew?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna have too much fun with this. We're gonna get back into it and enjoy making content for y'all, for the people. We got cameraman Andrew and me back in the shop. You know, we're gonna have a good time. The golf cart is still just, hey, you know what's the biggest win of all, Andrew?
The golf cart didn't break.
Exactly, right?
The golf cart.
So if y'all know our channel at all, the worst, like the race car, runs fine. The golf cart is the optimist of our demise in our channel. I'm gonna show y'all this. That will be for a future project later, right?
Yes.
Yes, that one's a fun project that me and Andrew are very excited about. That doesn't include this car. It's a new car to the channel. I don't think they've seen it. I don't think they've seen that car.
They probably
Don't tell the car though. I don't. Oh, what the fuck?
big ass horse farm.
Sorry.
Great, we're gonna get demonetized.
Yeah. We weren't monetized in the first place.
For
So,
YouTube.
yeah. That motor is going. That motor transmission combo is going to go into a new project. Y'all see the channel. We'll definitely put it on the channel for y'all to enjoy and see with us. But for right now, our main focus is the race car. Get back out, make some passes, have some fun. We haven't told them what class we're going in. We're not going to tell them what class we're going to.
Nah, we're gonna keep that hush hush for
Yeah,
now.
we're going to keep that hush hush. But you might see some changes in that department, right? That department back there.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We're gonna go clean that side. Sweep, broom, put all that shit away over there, and then move the car. So, and then get to work on the actual race car.
Yeah.
Should we get ice cream at some point? I think we should get ice cream at some
I
point.
think we should get ice cream. I do have the Dairy Queen app. I do have the Dairy Queen rewards. This video is not sponsored by Dairy Queen.
But Dairy Queen, if you want to sponsor us,
Hey, Dairy Queen, if you want to sponsor us, we won't say no.
We're all fat kids. Just saying. All right, we're gonna get to work. All right, you know what's the funniest part of working with Andrew, like in the shop, all the time, right? So we haven't even finished. We finished the last clip. I walked back over from like I was grabbing chairs in the tent and stuff like that, and moving the table. Start moving small shit over, right? Finish sweeping the floor. This one, I'm like, why do I hear myself? This dude is watching my video as we're in the shop working with the actual car. Like, whatever.
I'm the test dummy.
All right, but still, it's really nasty over here. Like when I say it's nasty, it's really bad. Like I can't even believe we were working in this much dirt on the ground when it didn't even look like it was this dirty.
Mm-hmm.
So we got a lot more shit to clean up. Like honestly, like you're still watching my video.
It's only got a minute and a half left.
Whatever. You've been watching. You already watched the whole video.
I'm at 26:07 and it's 26:57. So
Oh.
I've only got like not even a minute.
God damn it. Oh, to answer y'all's question, we still have the Hemi. We haven't got rid of the Hemi. It's sitting here. Look at that.
Still got duct tape over the. It's got
Yes.
tape over the.
Yes. And we still got the big blower. We didn't get rid of that stuff. We just kind of set it to the side, off the ground, in the corner. It's not doing anything. So, yep. I had to tell y'all, like, this is what I deal with every day. This is what I deal with. I'm trying to work on the car. It usually sits here. This is what I have to deal with. He's using my converter as a phone stand and stole my charger port from my speaker. Like,
Hey, my phone was dead. What do you want me to do?
damn cameraman, what you gonna do about it? So, I'm actually gonna get to work. We're actually gonna get to work. What?
That's my video suggestion for after.
What?
It says, hang on.
This
My
is the
suggested
shit.
video from YouTube is large police response to armed carjacker chase.
Shout out to those guys.
Midwest Safety.
I have no idea who those are.
Yeah, it's a police channel. Another police channel I follow.
Go from watching street racing to the police channel. It's kind of concerning. So, guys, this is what I deal with. I love Fishy. I love Andrew.
Fishy.
Everybody. Oh, they don't even know that. We're not even going. We're not going there. No. We have children that watch us.
Should we tell them who to ask about that one?
No. So the golf cart's here. We got to move that. We got the Tahoe. We stole the Tahoe because we were bored.
And we had to put water in here.
Oh, this is the Camaro. This is not the vehicle that motor's going in.
This is just our beater.
Yeah.
We just bust the shit out of this thing.
Yeah. We gotta get new. I got new tires for it because we might have burned those off, but it's one of the other sub vehicles that's gonna be on the channel. That's gonna be a lot more fun to fuck with. Right, Andrew?
You get tires cheap, right?
Those are brand new. Just got those used.
Well, burn these off. I'll get you cheaper ones.
Okay. Andrew to hook up for real. But yeah. Yep. We didn't clean up shit. We put the shit away, but didn't actually clean up anything.
No.
We haven't actually done anything except sweep the floor.
Yep, swept the floor and now we're craving ice cream.
Okay, so it's late because Andrew and I have been digging off. But if we go over here, this side of the shop is now all cleaned. Yay, all the dirt's off the ground. We got the toolbox and all the stuff put away. We were gonna move the car tonight, but we thought we already kind of screwed up the neighbors a couple nights ago. Maybe we'll just do that tomorrow. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. We're gonna move it tomorrow. Gotta move the front end over here. I'll probably move this over to that bay. Leave that one open for working on stuff tomorrow for the actual shop. But that's it. I mean, honestly, it's so much better in here. It's not even funny. Like, it was so dirty on the floor. It was driving me crazy. It was driving me fucking crazy. Andrew is somewhere around here. Andrew.
Yeah.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Andrew, it's time to go get ice cream.
Yes, it is time to go get ice cream.
We gotta move the golf cart though. We gotta move the golf cart around back. But
We can just grab that with the Tahoe and pull it around.
Well, yeah.
Right.
But we gotta move his front end over there, like I told the people, which you weren't listening because you were out there. I don't want to know what you were doing to my golf cart, but
I was not doing anything to your golf cart. I was watching a video on my phone and I was using the golf cart as a stand.
Andrew is doing weird shit to the golf cart. That's all I can say. Look at this, man. This is what I deal with every day. Look at him. Caught in 4K HD 60 frames. This is what I deal with.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking to the people about my wonderful help that I have. You've
been sitting there texting.
Yeah, I have been. I've been dicking off too.
I'm waiting for ice cream.
I know. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna move the front end, move the golf cart, and then they'll see us tomorrow while we pull this wonderful piece of automotive machinery together. Oh, hello, Mr. Skeleton. How are you doing today?
That may or may not be street.
Did we ever get the skeleton a name?
I don't think so. It's been in there for, wasn't it like a prop for Halloween or something?
Yeah, it was a Halloween prop in I think 21 or 22, and it just never left the car.
Yeah.
It's got its legs and everything. Like we thought about maybe cutting the legs off and stuff, but I think it's too funny. So, ice cream time. Yay.
Yay.
We'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll tear this thing apart and see how bad the intake leak is. I gotta order. Oh, this is what I was gonna tell y'all. I actually was gonna tell people stuff, but Andrew distracted me. It's all his fault. So, parts we need to order before we can go back out testing, right? There's always a couple things we have to get. So we have to get the actual studs, which I have over on that side of the shop. I just haven't got to put them on because I'm using bolts. Which is not the right way to do that. We're gonna fix it and do it the right way. Gotta get the blower studs and the nuts, and I gotta get a lockout kit for the distributor because it's got a mechanical advance right in it, and the alcohol does not like a mechanical advance. We really need to build another set of headers before we go testing again, but if we don't have time or time don't permit, we can keep these back on. I just don't, they are really bad header leaks, and I love the Borlas, but fire is not fun. I don't know if y'all saw the video a couple days ago about the fire underneath that door, and it was kind of scary. It wasn't a big flame, just a flash fire, and it gets kind of warm in a car when there's fire on your butt, your feet, stuff. So we're gonna get ice cream. This is one of those videos that's like kind of boring, not gonna lie, because we're just gonna be working on a race car today. This week, something like that. I don't know when the next time we're gonna be testing, depends on how soon and far we get the parts together and I can get some money together, but you know how it is. We're gonna keep rocking and rolling and get this thing ready to go.
Yeah, it sure is. Sorry about the camera shakiness, y'all. That had to feed and film at the same time. I'm still breathing that shit in. Power off?
Yeah, you should power off.
Alright.
Okay, so now it's over here.
There we go.
We can actually get to work on it.
Yep.
I pulled it in forward so we can fix this side of the front end now, like we did the other side. That is about it. It's still got good oil pressure, it's still got everything else, it's okay. It's just gotta get the blower off and fix the intake leak. So that's our next plan of attack. Oh. Okay, we're gonna put this thing up on the Pro Jacks and start to get to work. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! All right, Andrew. Ready to tell the people what we've changed and why the fuel filter's all the way over here now?
We moved that from here to there.
Yes, because we had to add this fitting.
Yep.
I screwed this piece right in here without this extension because I was trying to keep it under the front end. But the problem is it was dripping on the ground. If you look back in the video, the last video, you'll see Jesse kind of walking underneath the car or like looking underneath the car. That's what he was looking at. It was just alcohol, so it was evaporating faster than it was hitting the ground. So it wasn't a concern until we got back. Besides, we didn't get to make a second pass anyways. So now it's fixed. All we did was female to female, the actual proper fitting in the bottom of the tank, female to female to the actual fuel shut off, and then put our return line back on here, the top of the tank. And then all we did was make this little short line here to come off of the 90, put the fuel filter here. It's not going to make a difference. It's mounted sideways to answer y'all's questions. I know you're going to ask that because Andrew just asked that. So
Yes.
we're all good now. I zip tie these two lines together just so it doesn't rattle back, hit the tank or hit the belt. So one of the three things we have to do is done. Probably tomorrow, because it's late. It's not that late, but it's late for us. It's like, what, 9 o'clock-ish?
9:06.
Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock. We're trying not to spend crazy hours on this thing. It's up in the air now. Didn't tell y'all that.
Yep, it is up in the air.
It's
Look at
facing
that.
the other way.
It's facing backwards. Well, kind of.
Well, depends on which way you look at it. Like, it's forward for
Yeah.
me, because I'm facing this way, you know? But because, as you see on the front on that side, we fixed that side. So I'm going to put it in this way so I can finish the front end over here, put some aluminum where the fiberglass was tore for the zoomies. I don't believe the next test session will have the zoomies on it yet, because I haven't built a set. We'll probably keep the Borlas on it until we get more, because I might just keep the Borlas on it. They kind of sound pretty cool and flamed fun.
Yeah, the flame is pretty cool.
Yeah, except it's kind of warm in a car.
Yeah, you got a point.
Yeah, so we're still gonna get the blower off and the intake. I'm gonna get a lockout for the distributor because I had the timing advance in it, and I personally don't like with this mechanical injection run a non-lockout deal. The mechanical advance just makes the actual fuel system of the motor harder. So between the lockout, back of the blower seal, back of the intake seal, and probably a new set of plugs. These plugs are pretty old.
Yeah.
I can't tell you how old they are. I don't want to be made fun of.
That is a problem.
Yeah, so we're going to get some new plugs. But just want to show you what we did up here. Got that all lined out. I still got to fuck with the fuel shut off, I believe. It should be open now, I believe. I don't know, I can't see that far. But I don't know. I'll have to fuck with it in here and get it all adjusted out through the mount itself down here. So we'll screw with that later and get it all set up. But it's time to go get some food. I'm gonna finish this up, probably work for another 20-25 minutes. We cleaned the floor really heavily because we were tired of working and shit. Yeah.
There's no crunch.
There's no crunch anymore. It was driving us fucking insane. Organized all this shit. Our other headers for the Hemis, for the Brad motor and the Vinny motor. Just kind of need to get some more shelving units to put that stuff away in. But for right now, it's as clean as it's gonna get for the time being. So I'm gonna finish some small shit up, like me and Andrew said, or I said and Andrew was listening. And then we're gonna get some food, and then we'll probably catch y'all tomorrow as we pull the blower off this thing. So we'll see y'all.